Welcome to another Imperfect Foods unboxing. I'm Amy Harbor, but you already know that because you're probably following me. We're back to the old box, which makes me wonder if this is a recycled box because now they recycle their boxes. That's right. And then also when you hashtag Cooking Ugly, they donate 5 pounds of produce to a local food bank. Let me see what I got. I got some fun stuff, I think. Okay. Whoop. I got some celery with a broken stalk here, so let's just eat that. A little snack during the video never hurt anyone. Got some kale here. Make myself a nice kale Caesar salad or some kale chips. Yes. Zucchinis. Gonna make some chili again. And, oh wait, those are cucumbers. Never mind, maybe not making chili. Did I order cucumbers? Sometimes I get bonus things that I didn't order and then I'm like all confused. But I do have squash. And I will be putting that in chili. I think I'm going to make a jackfruit chili, a little vegetarian option. Some carrots, good for snacking on with that celery that's floating around here. Then I've got a couple of really unripe avocados that I'll just put in a bag and they'll be ready in a couple days. And I'll forget about them and then they'll be too ready. I've got a mango. I decided to try something different and learn how to cut a mango as well without slicing my hand open. I've got some apples. You know me, I like to snack on apples, but I am going to try to make like an apple tart or an apple pie or something to get into the holiday spirit. Then I've got more holiday spirit. I love sweet potatoes so much. I like to put a little bourbon in them and yeah. Finally, mandarins, because they're just fun to snack on. Yay, fun times. And that is my box. I'm going to go snack on my celery. And if you want to join the food revolution of reducing food waste, let me know. I'll give you $10 off your next box. Until next time, keep cooking ugly.